Alright everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, it's a tutorial video. And I'm going to be showing you how to download sound effects for video editing. Now warning, YouTube, if you're watching this, I am not using copyrighted audio. We're going to be using copyright-free audio. So step one is to open up your web browser or whatever it is. Do you want to search? You could search up whatever you want. For example, let's search up. Okay, and just search up copyright. Okay, I don't know if I spelled copyright wrong. Copyright free sound effects. Just search that on Google. It's going to pop up with all of these results right here. It's going to pop up with all of these results that you have in the world. Alright, I want to go on full screen of this web browser. So like when you do this, so just search up copyright free sound effects and then what you want to do is go to a one, for example, maybe we'll do this one for an example. We'll do upbeat as a, okay. I have to sign my account. Sorry if I have to send. I'm gonna send this information out because I don't want you guys viewing what I'm signing into this website right now. Enter. Alright, I just logged into my account. Now, let me tell you about this website. It's where, you could get, copyright-free music. Okay, number one, music, sound effects, and probably video clips, too, that you won't get into trouble into. And you want to look for some sound effects. Correct. So whatever okay, my mistake. Sorry. Okay, anyways. We're going to, if you guys want to search for a good example here, because I cannot decide which one to choose. So if you guys have a good suggestion, you can go ahead and comment down that below. But okay, let's do this one. We're gonna do this one, and I'm gonna play all these sound effects, and you can tell me and you guys can use this in your video. And this website does want you to pay a subscription for one of these. So go ahead and sign up a website for this account. I'll have this website link in the description below. So, can I play it? Alright, I'm gonna play this audio and you gotta tell me guys what you think in the comments.
Wasted.
What? Wasted? That's all it said was wasted? Let's go to a different audio. Alright. That wasn't pretty bad, but it kind of scared me a little bit. What about this one? That one's just like that one. So if you guys want to if there's something wrong in the video that's gonna go, but if it goes wrong, you guys can get this audio right here. These are copyright free audios And I hope I don't get into trouble by YouTube for doing this. But I'll play one more time for you. This one does not require Patreon, but this one does. What did that one even mean? Oh, that was the centipede one. I didn't say any curse words. So, let's do this one. Get down. I'll play all the audios in here. Yeah, that's just another centipede. That's just a glass broken one. And let's see if we have like any more left to do. That's all the sound effects we're gonna probably play for now. Which one do you think is a good line recommendation? I think, for example, let's pick this audio right here. We're gonna pick this audio right here. Alright, so usually, okay, when the audio is downloaded, when the audio is downloaded, now step 2 is adding it to the editor. Yeah, I forgot I'm recording, so I cannot do it. But but maybe I don't know what I can do. I may be able to do it, but I can't, okay? Look, see, it won't let me do it. It's not even letting me go, like, through this. So, what you have to do is that, I guess we're gonna have to pick a different editor. Because, guys, I think we're gonna have to pick a different editor. Do I have any video editors on here? Let me see if I have any of them on here. I'm just gonna download one so I can just go ahead and fast forward this process to okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and download CapCut. So let's just do CapCut as an editor for today. Because now, since we downloaded the audio, step number 2 is adding it to your video. So I'm probably gonna have to censor some parts in this video, but I don't want to put too much censor bars. We're gonna have to censor my private information. Okay, I'm gonna search CapCut. Yeah, here it is, right here. This one right here that you have to download. So go ahead and download it. And now just go ahead and wait for it to download. Alright. Alright, so yeah, I have some sneezing in the background. It's kind of annoying me. So sorry if that's in the background. I'm gonna maybe try to cut out that unwanted noise in my video. But I don't know, because that might just mute out me talking too. So it's kind of difficult, for it to edit. But maybe I can make a deal with you guys. While this is downloading, we can just talk here for just a minute. So basically, if you guys want me to do a video for example, how to remove, if you want a video how to remove sound effects from a video, comment down below if you want me to do that video, and I'll absolutely do it for you guys. Trust me, okay? But right now we're doing how to download / add sound effects to a video. So we're just going to go ahead and wait for this to finish downloading. mean, just listen to this audio one more time, guys. Just listen to it. Yep, I think I played it, enough. I think I played it the amount of times that I want to. I know. So, like, basically, I'm just gonna wait for this to download. Just have to wait for this to download. Oh, finally, it's downloaded. We're gonna run and open it. Yeah, I'll, okay, yep, sorry. There's a new update. Yeah, sure. I'm just gonna install it later. Now. Okay. Now we're in here, right? And then just click New Project. Just like click New Project. Then click the audio. Then click the audio menu. Now click Extracted Audio. Now click Import it. Right. Then click Import. And maybe we're gonna click the audio that we download. Okay, no, that's not the right one to download it. Sorry guys if I'm picking the wrong audio. I don't know, what was the name of that audio? I don't know what's the name of that audio. Oh, I think, okay, so guys, you want to pick the audio that you just downloaded. Whatever audio you downloaded, go ahead and pick it. Let's go ahead and... Yep, that's the audio it just downloaded. So, and then you can just... And it's recommended you add, like, some video footage. So if I find, like, anything to add on it, then okay. And it's recommended that you use, like, a video... like a actual .mp4 video for this. So I'm gonna go do that. Let's find like a valid MP4. Let's find like an MP4 video that like you think maybe we'll do this one. Pick the one. Oh, no, that's not the right one. That's an audio. We want to only import video. That's what we need to do. and whatever thing is like good for you, whatever one is like nice for you. And you guys can just pick a random video here, whatever you want. For example, let's choose this video right here. It's recommended you add this video here. Click the plus. And guys, what's like recommended to do is that you like go ahead and you can like just go ahead and like if there's a there it is. It's behind there the whole time, and just delete that. And I know some like it took you guys like a little long to find it. Well, here you go. Now the last step is to export it. Now export it. Now export it. Now export it. Now go to your Finder window. Go to your Finder window. If it didn't pop up in the Finder window, then try to export it again. Okay, I'm export audio. Okay, there we go. No. I do not want to. I don't want to post that. No. It's literally trying to make me post. It's literally trying to make me post. Open folder. Dude, I exported a bunch of these. Don't worry, I'll drag these two into my recycle bin. Said I want to drag these to my recycle bin. Okay, phew. I'm still recording. Some of this video is getting long for you guys. Now you can just go ahead and exit whatever video editor you were using. Then go to your Finder where it told you to go. And if you made mistakes, you could just throw these away. In the recycle bin. You can just throw these in the recycle bin. And that's all for today's video. And now your video is probably ready to upload to like YouTube or something for your viewers to watch too if you're a viewer watching this video. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share this video. So like if anyone has problems, and if you have a friend that already knows how to edit, you could share this with your other friend if they don't have a YouTube channel, and if they want to start one, and they could just share it. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Have you wondered why some parts were cut out? It's because I couldn't find the cut button in this tutorial video. So anyways, bye for now.